May is salad month, so let's make another delicious salad that's easy to make and nutrient dense. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we make delicious recipes together in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a nutrient-rich strawberry celery walnut salad. Begin by taking 8 ounces of your favorite salad greens. So that could be either spinach, romaine, or I'm going to use a baby spring mix. To it, let's add one 16-ounce container of freshly sliced strawberries that are rich in vitamin C to help support immune function, glowing skin, and also fight off those disease-causing free radicals. 3 stalks of sliced celery that are packed with fiber to help support a healthy digestion. Last, 1/2 cup of chopped up walnuts that are a wonderful plant-based protein and great for your brain health. Now for our dressing, begin with 1/4 cup of heart-healthy olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which is so good for your digestion. In fact, whenever I'm having heartburn, I always take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it into a glass of water, drink it down, and it always helps. 1/2 of a lemon that's been juiced, another wonderful food that's great for your digestion and is full of vitamin C. 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of honey, preferably raw and locally sourced. And remember, you can always substitute this with your preferred sweetener. It doesn't have to be honey if that doesn't work for you. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our OrganiGreens green juice powder to give it an extra boost of nutrients and antioxidants. Whisk together your dressing ingredients. Pour your dressing over your salad and toss together to coat evenly. And now for the best part, let's give this salad a try. It looks so delicious. This salad is so incredibly good and refreshing. I love the strawberries and the celery together. And it's so easy to make. Oh my gosh, this is a must. So there's some recipes that I do where I'm like, yeah, that's good. Then there's other recipes like this one where I'm like, yes, you have to try this one. So easy, so delicious, and so healthy for you. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to join me next week for another delicious recipe that we make together in the kitchen. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay inspired and connected. I'll see you next week.